Hi, Tess. Hi, Tess. Happy birthday and Naning. Happy birthday.
Pa, si ano daw? Si Tess, ika naman. Boses mo na naman. Happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday daw, Kuya Arnel. Ate Tess.
Birthday.
Happy 75th pala. 75th birthday. 75th.
Si Tess.
Uy, nagkikurinto ko na. 75th birthday, Ate Tess and Kuya Arnel. 60th birthday. Siguro, may na kung masasabing kahilingan, kundi siguro man ay may ang kwarta, iba ka man ka ito. Ang pagmamahal, iba na din. Kaya enjoy na lang kung anong meron kayo. Happy birthday Kuya Arnel and Ate Tess. Thank you. Oy, tika natin. Naning. Inong tabi out. Happy Natal Day sa Indondoan ni Ate Tess. And inong tabi out. Disco tayo. Disco talaga. Yeah! Happy birthday. Happy birthday Kuya Arnel. Enjoy your Natal Day.
Happy birthday na natin ang dua, Kuya. Ate.
Kada ako sasabihin si Baby, kaya lang ay...
Ang labas sana, kaso naglipot. Happy birthday, Kuya. Happy birthday, Ate.
Oh, enjoy.
Enjoy lang tayo. Kaya nga yun.
Saan ko? 11 o 13?
13 ata.
Basta, Kuya Arnel,
Basta
Ate
August.
Tess.
Birthday.
Happy birthday, ha? Happy birthday. Cut na lang.